Today we will go over the benefits of PT141 hormone therapy. There are many things that can happen to a woman as she gets older. One of these things is the onset of menopause, which can cause a number of health problems for women. One of the most common issues is hot flashes. Hot flashes are caused by an increase in the production of estrogen in the body. This increase is often caused by the onset of menopause. Hormone replacement therapy has been used for a number of years to treat menopause symptoms. The hormone replacement therapy that is available today has many different types of hormones in it. The most common type is estradiol. Estradiol is a natural form of estrogen that is produced by the body and is responsible for many of the female reproductive functions. It is also responsible for many other bodily functions such as muscle growth and bone development. PT141 hormone therapy is one of the newer forms of hormone replacement therapy. It uses a synthetic form of estrogen called 17-alpha-ethinylestradiol. This form of estrogen is not produced by the body and is therefore more potent than estradiol. The result is that women who use this form of hormone replacement therapy will have fewer side effects than those who use estradiol. There are a number of side effects that can be associated with using PT141 hormone therapy. These side effects are usually mild and will go away after a few weeks. The side effects include headache, dizziness, nausea, breast tenderness, vaginal dryness, increased hair growth, decreased libido, and depression. PT141 hormone replacement therapy has a number of benefits as well. These benefits include reduced hot flashes, improved sleep, decreased risk of heart disease, and improved memory. In addition, women who take this type of hormone replacement therapy have fewer menstrual cycles and less painful periods. They also have fewer PMS symptoms. Women who are over 50 are often concerned about the safety of taking hormone replacement therapy. However, studies have shown that PT141 hormone replacement therapy is just as safe as estradiol. If you are experiencing any of the above symptoms or if you are worried about the safety of hormone replacement therapy, talk to your doctor about PT141 hormone therapy. You may find that this type of hormone replacement therapy will be able to help you. Need more info? Search Invigorate Wellness. See you soon.